Hey, this is Bad News Bear, having a good time. Finally got on the trail again. I'm gonna find myself some trouble. Let's find some trouble. Dirtbike Survivorman is Bad News Bear these days. Alright, I got the studs on here. It's my arm hit and then hit my chest, so that's why I winded. Holy shit, I just couldn't steer right into that freaking tree. Well, what am I doing? Bark buster, just couldn't. Wow, good thing I got this elbow protection. Or forearm, and then it went into my. Wow, that really was harsh. I should have been able to steer away from it. I just wasn't in full control. That's what happens when you film sometimes. All right, let's go mud. Whoa, mud. That was all right. Get myself back on the trail. Let's not hurt myself. Oh, I even hit my face. My head hurts now a bit. Not too bad. It's more on my front forehead. Oh man. Okay, let's try this hill again. Let's do it. March 15th, I believe. First gear, start second. Glad I didn't fall on that pivot turnaround. That would have been bad. Bad. Break time from work. That is Dirtbike Survivorman, Bad News Bear. Okay. Woo! Yeah, guys, it's the 15th, I think, of March, or it's Tuesday, whatever it is. 15th, March 15th. Finally taking a break from working on the Irnieracing News. Cheers. This is why you carry a samurai saw, a samurai Ichiban. No, it's hard when the branches, nothing. Yeah, cleared the path. Keep going. Sunshine, a good stretch. Okay, guys. Oh, I was just thinking while I was stretching today. I did the story on DuckDuckGo. So for those that don't know or haven't seen it, the DuckDuckGo owner CEO announced that he is going to be censoring Russian misinformation. Of course, we all know the Pentagon says one thing, oh, there's no biolabs, and then all of a sudden Newland says, oh yeah, we have biological study facilities, and we're afraid the Russians are going to get a hold of our information. So there used to be this information, and now that it's real. So hurry, this doesn't go to the side, it's real. And on your own personal schedule, not knowing anything. Beauty. Beauty. Yeah, how far does the clip go, right? Oh yeah. I think it's a lot shorter. It used to be more room up here. It's falling away. Yeah. Beauty. I don't ride for the views, but I sure like the sunshine and views. Weird on studs with no snow. I got to keep tires off of it. Too busy to put up with that. I had to come to myself to like these things for tires since I haven't ridden forever. Woo! Hey guys, taking a little break. Oh, my back is, you know, first ride in a long time, I always get back pain. If you ride 2-3 times a week, then the pain stays away. But if you don't ride every week, it comes. Anyways, I don't ride for the views, but I sure appreciate them. Anyways, yeah, good stuff. Okay, classic hill climb, guys. Classic hill climb. Give it a shot. Okay, here we go. I could have, but I'd rather go do it again. Oh yeah, guys, yeah. Whew, well, just final section. I am tired. I'm definitely out of shape. Too much news, not enough moto. So we'll head her back up. if those are fresh or I lost them before. Either way, most of them are still in. Ooh, it's bright out here, guys. There you go. Acme Moto, 225 hours. It's getting time to do that top end. And I'm gonna put on a low compression head from Two Stroke Performance with their ECU reflash as well. I gotta mail them my ECU. And then just change the head, and of course put a new piston rings in there and see what the current one looks like. You know, for all we know, it's gonna be perfect, and just could change the rings, but you know, once you're in there, might as well. I'm gonna have a new piston ready to go. Might as well put her in. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, Dirtbike Survivorman. Whatever day, taking a day off. I'm tired from work. I'm gonna go see James Top tomorrow or the next day, and now I'm getting late, but tomorrow was the plan.